So right now we're looking at a Howick 5600 roll forming machine. Right now we are printing metal studs and track from 16 gauge coil. We buy the coil, 3,000 pound coils from the supplier. Out of our 3D software, which I'll show you in a second, we create shop drawings. Coil runs through these rollers and shapes into 3 5/8 inch studs. Running out of the back side of the machine, you can see the studs are dimpled, cut to the exact length. See my man Mike here organizing the studs, having fun. Put him onto the stud racks that we've created. As the studs are produced, it will indicate on the LED screen which ones are being run at this time. So right now they're running 3-foot cripplers. A 3-foot crippler. Unbelievable. This is the future of framing. And it's a big part of our modular process for ToVee. More videos to come.